Hi guys, this is Mike. Welcome to my channel 369 Unboxing. So today I have JBL Flip 6. So this is the latest flip version of Bluetooth speaker from JBL. So it's released on December 6th, 2021. Advanced technology, everything inside. Wow, look the package. Look, so good. Nice. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. There are some stickers. Okay, okay. So what's here? Looks like some. Okay, I will show you later on. Right here, put it aside. Look over there. The JBL Flip 6 Bluetooth speaker. Wow, looks so beautiful. Wow, so nice. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Nice, so nice. Okay, the box is empty. So let's see. Okay, so this is the Bluetooth speaker. And let's see what's inside in this box. I think USB cable. Yeah, Type C USB cable. And some papers, warranty card, safety sheet, quick start guide, and yeah, all this. There are some stuff. Let me put from here. Okay, yeah, these are the papers, to read, all these. Quick start guide, warranty card, safety sheet. Okay, we don't need this. We just need a JBL speaker. This is Type C cable. Okay. Wow, what a nice look. What a nice durable fabric material and rugged rubber, bold design. Wow, so nice, so nice. Oh wow, this is rubbery sport. Look. Okay, so nice. So look, so beautiful, so beautiful. Big logo JBL. Okay, so this is play pause button, volume up, volume down, party boost button. Okay, and let's see what's in the back. Okay, power on off button, Bluetooth button. This is battery indicator, the light. It shows how much battery you left in your Bluetooth speaker, and Type C connection. That's it. This is for multiple use. Okay, nice speaker. So it comes in like 11 colors, I think. It comes in multiple colors. So I choose the blue one. It's it says it's blue. It looks like blue. It's like just kind of blue color. So it's a beautiful speaker. 12 hours of playtime on a single charge. That's nice. IPX7, waterproof and dustproof. So you can bring your speaker anywhere, to the pool, to the park, anywhere. It's party boost function. You guys can connect multiple JBL Party Boost enabled Bluetooth speakers together for big sound, for party, man, for party. And the Bluetooth version is 5.1. So it has two-way speaker system engineered to deliver loud, crystal clear, powerful sound and deep bass. JBL means deep bass. I love it. The woofer delivers low frequencies and mid-range, while a separate tweeter produces crisp, clear high frequencies. The weight is only 2.05 pounds. That's so nice. The speaker first, released on December 6th, 2021. I already told to you guys. So it's time to turn on the speaker. Okay. Oh, okay. And let me connect to my phone and listen the music and check the performance of this JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker. Pair. Okay, it's pair. So nice, so nice, so nice. Looks so nice. So good. So nice. You know, JBL is number one. JBL is number one. Number one. So okay, so let's listen the music and check the performance of this JBL Flip 6 portable Bluetooth speaker. Okay.
on your face them calls. Cause you're not my vibe, but God just let me go to sleep. Someone get high with me. Yeah, cause I'm running away. I'm looking for space. Looking for space. I'm healing from all of the pain. All of the pain. I'm running away. Cause I feel lost right now, and it's hard to breathe. And I'm lost to myself. What happened to
Wow, what a sound! Loud, crystal clear, powerful sound, and deep bass. I can't explain. I can't explain. You need to buy this speaker, JBL Flip 6, available on Amazon for the price of $129.99 in United States. So it's nice speaker. The latest technology. Uh, it's the latest speaker by JBL Flip series. So released on December 6, 2021. 12 hours of playtime. IPX7, waterproof, dustproof, party boost. Wow, so nice, so nice. So thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. God bless you all. Thank you.